Hey guys, so today I got this Amazfit T-Rex. Looks really cool. So you can see here it's a T-Rex model A1919, color army green. So let's see what's inside. So you can see I connected the app to the watch and instantly it started updating. So it just updates right now. This is the back. Resistant. Yeah, it's really nice to the touch. And this is, I think, silicone because it's really interesting, like to the feel. I already wanna wear it. It's nice quality, and you can see they have done a good job at the details. Like you can see all these triangles right here. They go up, this one go down. I can't complain about anything right now. It's really nice. Okay. Resource. Okay. Updating GPS. So basically right now is updating all kind of stuff in it. Probably doing this only the first time because it keep updating, restarting, updating, restarting. So like I said, like it's really nice. I just can't wait to wear it. So this is just to compare how big is the watch. This is a 44mm Apple Watch. So you can see it's almost the same. And you can see right now watch firmware upgraded. Okay, so it updated some stuff. It looks really nice. Not sure how it's gonna be in the video, but in reality it's really cool. And you can see these lines in the video, they're not in reality, you don't have them. So, okay, what we have here? Okay, brightness control, power saver. This is gonna be to lock it. Steps, your BPM. You see all these lights working. Do not disturb. That's the flashlight. What else? We have all kind of options here. Heart rate, work, activities. The menu is really smooth. So you can see they're almost the same. 84, 83. So yeah, almost the same. Okay, what else we have here? Find my iPhone. Okay, it's working. Timer. Okay. Music. Weather. Okay, really nice. Activities. No. History. Workout. Heart rate. Status. It's really responsive to the touch. Settings. Always on display. Okay, screen duration, watch. Okay, so you have different watches, different faces, I mean. Okay, but it's not cool that you have to go all the time back in settings. Oh, just two of those. Okay, so you can have incoming calls also. Okay. Watch faces, yeah, so you can choose from here all these different faces. And by the way, they have different colors, I think 3 or 4 different colors. So yeah. So let's see if it changed the watch. Yep. This is really vivid in reality, much better than on the video. So yeah, you can choose all these faces and you can do nothing while it's syncing. So basically I'm gonna just stop this video here and test it for a few days and let you know the experience, how it feels, how it works, battery life and stuff like that. Right now I can't tell you too much. It's really nice. So yeah, let's see if we can add other apps. This is back. Okay, so this is the watch. You can barely see it, but it's showing you the clock, date, steps, up. So basically you can use only the buttons and scroll down through everything and select. And again, if you don't like touching it or underwater, you can use the buttons just to go through all the stuff, all the menus. So yeah, I'll create another video in a few days or in a week, just telling you my experience, how it feels compared to my Apple Watch, and that's it.